Hi, this is Kim Brown, and this is my service project, Entomology Reflection. So I thought the service learning project was a really great way to bring together all the different modules that we did over the unit, where we got to kind of tie in all of the different plants and flowers and shrubs and trees that we learned about, and with the pollinators, and tie all those topics together that we learned about over the summer, and also be able to provide a service to our community. So, as you can see as my picture, that's the Gwinnett County Public Library, the Collinsville branch. That is where I was able to complete my habitat assessment. And I actually got to speak with the branch manager a couple times, and she was actually really excited because she's hoping whatever I give to her, that she's able to maybe use that and take that feedback and give it to the Gwinnett County Public Library system and see if she can get a pollinator habitat possibly funded on their property, like a little garden or something. So I thought that was really neat that she was so excited to possibly use what I tell her to improve the library area for the community and for the pollinators. I also really just enjoyed the opportunity to go around the library and just explore and try and take what I learned from class and like locate those items on the property to see if they had it or not. Like for example, checking if they had native plants or non-native plants and things like that. So I thought it was really cool to actually take that knowledge and try and put it into motion. So while their library did have like a large wooded area, as you can see in that map picture, they were really lacking in native plants and just flowering plants in general. So hopefully they're able to take the recommendations that I was able to make for the property and implement that. And even if they don't make a whole pollinator area, just taking some of the suggestions just to increase their pollinator populations would be really cool. But I really enjoyed the experience. I'd actually never been to that library, even though it's about 10 minutes from my house. So it was really neat to just kind of get to know my community a little bit better and try and help them improve their property. So I really enjoyed the project, and I'm hoping maybe I could do something like this, not like exactly the same with kids in my class, but maybe we could look at school and see if we could add a pollinator property at the school I teach at. So I'm pretty excited about this, and I really did, like I said, I learned a lot this semester, and I'm hoping I can use it as a teacher with my students. So thank you for the opportunity to do this.